I'm feeling cute, so let's do a vlog today. I thought I'd take you guys along, see what I'm up to in my craft room, what goes on in here other than planners and crafting. Okay, so I just have to show you this little area. I'm so proud of myself for getting this one corner of my craft room all clean. But this section just holds all my little die cuts, mini albums, my tiny planners, all of those little things. And I have my supplies all at the bottom. All my planners lined up neatly. Well, not all my planners, some of my planners. And then I have to show you, I'm kind of excited about this. I found my sequence thing. I guess it wasn't lost. It was just kind of out of sight, out of mind. So that is coming up next. I guess I need to make some shakers. right, so I'm up late tonight doing some work. Oh, and this is the messy side of my craft room. Or, I don't know, I guess this is the office side of the room. This is the side I rarely ever show. And this is kind of how this side of the desk looks, or this side of my room looks. So I like to show the nice pretty side with the raskog carts and all my pretty stuff. And I'm recording on my tablet, so I'm not sure. I'm not cross-eyed. Don't write that I'm cross-eyed in the comments. But it doesn't have like where you look in the camera. Anyways, so I'm up late tonight just doing some work, but I do have to show you what I'm working on. Oh, and I do have some news. I haven't shared it over here. I shared it on Instagram if any of you follow me on Instagram. But before I do that, this is what I will be working on, making these little pockets. I don't have one on my desk. And this, yeah, I'm making little planner pockets. But that video will probably be up before this one because this may take me forever to upload or to edit and upload. But anyway, I have news. All right, first thing in my shop, I have added, this is not new. I guess I did this already on here. I feel like if I say stuff on Instagram or if it's in stories, I kind of shared it already. But I have added a digital subscription to the shop. And it's basically, I'm always doing videos and I'm telling everybody to craft along with me. But it's kind of hard if, I don't know, if you got the stickers or if you got a die cut set and you only have one die cut. And I'm trying to show you how to make a pocket. And like sometimes in a video I mess up on the first one. I have to reprint it a few times. So that's kind of the idea behind the digital kit. So you can kind of craft along with me. If you mess up, you can reprint another one. Or if you're like me, you have 100 planners and you want to set up all of them, that's where this comes along. But this is kind of like the first month. Some of you, well, I already did a video, but this is like the first month. So it will be like a monthly subscription. You get a set of files each month. And that way there's no shipping. You don't have to wait for it. You see the video, download it, print it, craft right along with me. So that's my first news. The other thing, which is not really new, if you follow me on Instagram, I am on the American Crafts design team. And I am so excited because I don't know, I've been obsessed with that stuff for a long time. Like I started my whole YouTube crafting journey with Project Life. So that's probably, I don't know where some of you started with me on that Project Life journey. So I am on the American Crafts design team. So I will be doing like some more, I won't say scrapbook projects, but I guess more DIY stuff, because I've been kind of, okay, I've been doing homeschool the last 2 years. And with homeschool, I've always been a planner, but the planning just went to another level. And I kind of fell down a planet rabbit hole. I haven't been doing much else other than planning. Not much scrapbook. I've been trying to do memory keeping, but that's, I'm not really into it like I used to be. And I think with homeschool, I don't know, it's almost like I had to share my planner. So I didn't, y'all know me, I love over the top spreads. I love just decorating, I don't know. But anyway, during homeschool, it kind of got functional, and I am not a functional planner. So I feel like I have all my planners back to myself. So I'm on a planner kick right now, but I will be adding in some other stuff. So that is my news, and I will be up. I don't know, I'll be up probably. This is the best time for me to work. And I started this bad habit because during homeschool, I don't know, it's kind of like I had that, I didn't get a quiet minute, so I would stay up all night and work, and I haven't broken that habit. So I will be up tonight working, and it's fun, it's quiet. I don't know, I just love the quietness. So back to my crafts. Back to my craft room.